going back in Australia, Zoobs.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Alrighty guys, last day in Manila. Good afternoon naman.
Miss America.
You miss Ate Marika.
Memes, where are we going?
And the dinner.
No, where are we going later? On the...
We're going in the airplane.
Yeah, and then where are we going?
We're going
Oz.
oh,
Oz.
oh,
Australia.
yeah.
Yeah, you press that.
Alright, this is it. We are leaving. The whole place is clean. Are you ready to go to Australia?
Yeah, my bag's so heavy.
It is. What have you got in there?
Oh my god.
Are you sure you're gonna carry that?
Yeah. With my ammo.
With your Omo?
It's so heavy, I can feel my iPad.
Ayun, so we got a bunch of stuff here. So none of this is coming with us back to Australia. We're leaving this all here. And oh, those shoes didn't Ima.
Teka lang, saan ba lalagay?
Mom.
And we got here new stroller for the trip. Para fold away. And then this is the ending of the room. Bags are packed here. Sana hindi overweight. And
Naman siguro, wag naman.
so we're just gonna rest for a little bit because we got like what, another 2 hours or an hour and a half. But I just gotta find a place for these shoes. These kids are ready and excited to go. Are you excited to see Coco? Huh? Have you got a gift for Coco?
No, it's mine.
That's yours.
Yeah. We're going in the airplane.
Yeah, are you excited? And then who are we gonna see when we get home?
Coco.
Coco.
And Jaja.
Jaja.
Oh, you miss Jaja as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, ayun. You say, we're going back to Australia, mga Zoobs.
We're going back in Australia, Zoobs.
Ang ganda ng view namin. Last look sa view na ito. Bago kami umuwi ng Australia. So, bago kami umuwi mga Zoobs, gusto ko lang syempre mag-thank you kay Boss Toyo. Siya kasi yung reason talaga kung bakit kami umuwi dito nung July. And dun sa vlog na ginawa namin, maraming salamat Boss Toyo kasi dahil sa'yo, nagstay ako ng another 2 months. Tama ba? Another 2 months. And ayan, nakakuha tayo ng maraming trabaho rin. And gratefully, yung trabaho na yan ay magdedire-diretso hanggang sa matapos ko yung new show na ginagawa ko ngayon. So for now, kami ay uuwi muna ng Australia dahil kailangan naming puntahan syempre si King and marami rin kasi kaming kailangan asikasuhin sa Adelaide pag dumating kami bago kami naman pumunta sa US. So basically, susunduin namin ng Kuya King and aayusin namin lahat ng mga gagamitin din namin papunta sa US. Nandun din kasi yung iba naming mga gamit, damit na dadalhin namin doon. And ito na talaga yung pinaka-grand vacation namin sa US dahil medyo matagal-tagal siya, 3 linggo. Kaya naman, kung mayroong mga taga-US na nandito, i-PM nyo lang kami. Malay nyo, magkita-kita tayo doon. And sa pagbabalik ko po sa Pilipinas, magdedire-diretso na rin yung trabaho ko. And I'm so happy na tayo ay nagtitaping na at makakagawa ng isang teleserye sa taon na ito. Kaya naman, gusto ko thank you talaga sa lahat ng sumusuport sa aming daily vlog. Hindi po biro na mag-daily vlog and mag-edit everyday. Si Handy po ang gumagawa niyan. Nakakapagod siya, yes, but at the same time fulfilling dahil ito pong ginagawa namin ay ang creation ng mga memories namin as a family para sa mga bata, sa kanilang paglaki, sa araw-araw, and marami mang mga milestones na nagawa ito. Siyempre, yun ang pinaka-importante para sa amin. And at the same time, kahit papaano, nakakadagdag din po ito ng income namin. Kaya, thank you talaga. And big part also is yung aming mga sponsors na patuloy na tumutulong din sa aming vlog. Kaya naman, ito na guys. Nakaka-proud na kinaya namin ang 3 buwan. And nakakalungkot na iiwan namin ulit ang Pilipinas. Pero babalik kami ulit soon. Sana looking forward din kayo sa pagbalik namin. Kaya naman, halika na, punta na tayo sa airport. Ayan, ito ang ating OOTD papunta sa airport. Oversized na damit. Tapos, nandito sa bag ko ang passport and cellphone. Pero, meron tayong hand carry na ito. Ang aking paboritong bag for traveling. So, nandyan yung mga wipes, diapers, sunglasses, mga kung ano-ano. Nandito yan lahat. Mga lip balm, lip gloss. Yan. Yan na. Na-check na namin lahat kung ano ang itsura na ng room pag wala kami. And na-check namin yung mga gamit, yung mga cabinet para ma-make sure na wala din kaming maiiwan. Tapos, ito na yung maleta namin. Yan yung maleta namin pa uwi. Kasi, 3 lang. Hindi namin dinala lahat. Dahil babalik pa naman kami. Mga maleta namin kasi puro sira na. Tapos ito yung hand carry, 2. Tag-isa kami ni Andy. Tapos si Aliyah, bag niya yung blue. Si Mimi naman, syempre may hand carry din. Nandito naman yung extra diapers, extra t-shirt. Last look. Kasi tumawag na ako ng bellboy. Last look. Siniksik si Mimi kung saan-saan. Kakahiya naman. Pero malinis na. Wala na tayong masyadong kailangang pag-alala. Iwan na namin ang aming naging tahanan. Sa sandaling kami na dito sa Pilipinas. Nag-moisturizer lang ako. Tapos, konting blush kasi gusto ko komportable ako sa aeroplano. Yung pwede ako makatulog tapos no need to retouch ganyan. You ready na, Daddy?
Yeah.
Si Andy may bagong bag. Si Mike kasi yung friend ko. Miel, pahiram muna.
Oh, nandyan yan na.
Oh, madumi talaga. Nasira kasi yung bag ni Andy. Yung bag niya, kaya hiniram namin to kay Mike. Buti pumayag. Nandyan kasi yung laptop. Ganda, babe, no? Simpleng-simple lang.
The cords in here because it fits everything as well.
Thank you, Miel. May pangalan pa. Are you ready to leave?
I'm excited for
The
20-degree weather. Of course, to see King because I feel like when we get back, he's gonna
Cry.
He'll cry. But I think he's gonna be taller
Sobrang
than me.
miss tayo ni King.
So,
Yeah. Kasi pag nakikita namin siya sa CCTV namin,
parang
parang tangkad. And meron siyang surprise na haircut.
Hindi naman surprise kasi
Nakita namin sa CCTV. Sabi niya, it was meant to be a surprise. So, abangan nyo nga pala yung hair reveal ni King.
Grabe yung view na. Parang mini New York.
We'll see America soon.
Bye, Philippines!
Always admired those who just do it and they conquered their fears. They fall back down and they keep getting up and they try to steer clear. I'm afraid, I'll admit. What if I'm stuck in my mind? I'm not great, neither rich, but will you stay here by my side?
Welcome back to Adelaide. We're going home now.
We're going home.
Say welcome to Adelaide.
Welcome to Adelaide.
Oh,
And it's so hot.
on the light. This is a bit dark.
Wow, linis!
Wow, this is like the cleanest it's ever been.
Ganda ng house natin, Mimi.
Look at this basket.
Wow, good job ni Coco.
Linis.
Grabe. Ganda oh. But it's... Oh, you got your scooter back. You missed that for sure. Hey, look at the kitchen. On the light in the kitchen.
Saan ba ilaw
I want to eat.
Wow, good job. They took... Ang ganda oh.
Oh,
There's probably nothing in there, babe.
babe.
Wow, good job ni Coco. Sobrang
You want
linis.
oats? Hindi mag-skip muna tayo, Mim.
I don't know, so they've done... They look like they've cleaned this carpet. It looks super clean. Let's check the bedroom. Wow! This is the best I've ever seen it. Super linis. This has got to do with Sammy. Linis, huh? Fairness to Sammy.
My baby.
You miss it? You miss your bed?
Yeah.
Oh, si Mimi's happy na. Well, let's check Coco's room if malinis din. Oh, you're not too bad. Not too bad. Some clothes there. I don't know. Welcome home, Mimi.
Yeah. It's so home.
Don't forget.
She said we're so home.